There are two kidneys in the human body, located on each side of the spine, just below the rib cage. Each kidney measures approximately 5 inches in length. The human kidneys are one of the most crucial organs in the body. The primary functions of the kidneys include filtration and excretion of waste products in the blood, regulation of fluid and electrolyte balance, stimulation of red blood cell production, acid-base balance, regulation of blood pressure, and metabolism of vitamin D. The process of blood filtration begins when blood enters the kidney through the renal artery, which branches into smaller arterioles and eventually leads to a network of capillaries known as glomerulus, which is located within each nephron. The nephrons are the microscopic filtering units of the kidneys. Each kidney contains approximately 1 million nephrons. The glomerulus sits inside a structure called the Bowman's capsule. This is where the first stage of filtration occurs. The walls of the glomerulus are selectively permeable, allowing water, electrolytes, glucose, amino acids, and small waste molecules like urea and creatinine to pass through into the Bowman's capsule, while preventing larger molecules such as blood cells and most proteins from escaping the bloodstream. The filtered fluid, now called filtrate, then moves into the renal tubule, which is divided into several segments: the proximal convoluted tubule, the loop of Henle, the distal convoluted tubule, and the collecting duct. As the filtered fluid passes through the renal tubule, a large portion of vital substances such as water and electrolytes are reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. By the time the filtrate reaches the end of the collecting duct, it has been transformed into urine, a mixture of waste products, excess ions, and fluid which the body does not need. The urine is then transported into the urinary bladder. The bladder stores urine until it is excreted via the urethra during urination. If the kidneys of a person are not able to perform all the functions which have been mentioned earlier, the individual has developed a kidney disease. 1.2 million people across the earth died from chronic kidney disease in 2015. Kidney disease can be classified into two main types: acute kidney injury and chronic kidney disease. Acute kidney injury is the sudden decrease in kidney function, often due to dehydration, severe infection, or exposure to toxins. Acute kidney injury can be reversible with prompt treatment. Chronic kidney disease is a gradual and irreversible loss of kidney function, often progressing to end-stage renal disease. End-stage renal disease, also known as kidney failure or renal failure, is the final stage of chronic kidney disease, where the kidneys have lost nearly all their ability to function effectively. At this point, waste products and excess fluids accumulate in the body, leading to severe health complications. Treatment options are usually dialysis, an artificial procedure to filter waste from the blood when kidneys can no longer perform this function, and transplantation, which is the surgical procedure to replace a failing kidney with a healthy one from a donor. Diabetes is the leading cause of kidney failure, as prolonged high blood sugar can severely damage kidney tissues. Hypertension or chronic high blood pressure can also lead to kidney damage and eventual failure. Genetic factors and family history of kidney disease can also increase risk. In the early stages, kidney disease may show no symptoms. However, as it progresses, symptoms may include fatigue and weakness, swelling in the legs, ankles, or feet, changes in urination patterns, blood in urine, foamy urine, high blood pressure, nausea, and vomiting. Diagnosing kidney disease typically involves blood tests, urine tests, imaging tests, and kidney biopsy. A biopsy may be necessary to determine the specific type of kidney disease. Preventing kidney disease involves controlling risk factors and maintaining overall health.